In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message yourself on WhatsApp web. Now, you might be wondering why you'd want to send messages to yourself. Well, it can be incredibly handy for making notes, saving links, or keeping important reminders just a quick glance away. Whatever your reason, messaging yourself on WhatsApp web is a simple, effective way to keep track of information important to you. First things first, you'll need to navigate to WhatsApp web. This platform allows you to use WhatsApp on your computer, providing a more flexible and comfortable experience for typing and managing messages. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to the WhatsApp website. Once there, you might need to scan a QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone to log in if you're not already connected. This step ensures your account is safe and that you're the only person accessing your messages. Once you've successfully accessed WhatsApp web, take a look at the interface. You'll notice it mirrors the app on your phone with all your chats listed on one side. Now, to message yourself, you'll want to start a new chat. Look for the icon or option labeled New Chat, generally found at the top of your chat list. Clicking this will open up your contacts list, showing you everyone available to message. Here's where we find the feature that's not as widely known: the option to message yourself. This might be a bit hidden or not immediately obvious depending on interface updates or changes. However, it's there, nestled among your contact options. When you find it, clicking on Message Yourself creates a chat where you are both the sender and the receiver. This chat acts just like any other, allowing you to type messages, send links, share images, and even send voice notes to yourself. Once you've opened this self-chat, go ahead and try it out. Type a message or send a link you want to remember. Not only does this message sync across your devices that have WhatsApp installed, but it also keeps everything neatly organized within WhatsApp's interface. This way you can easily find what you've sent yourself without digging through other apps or note-taking services. There are a few extra benefits and tips to consider when messaging yourself on WhatsApp web. First, you can pin this chat to the top of your chat list, ensuring it's always accessible and you don't have to scroll through all your conversations to find it. Simply hover over the chat and look for the pin or similar option to keep it at the top. Additionally, you can use this chat to transfer files between devices quickly. Want to get a photo from your phone to your computer without the hassle of emailing it or using cloud storage? Just send it to yourself on WhatsApp, then download it from WhatsApp web. It's a straightforward and extremely fast method to move data around. For those who are concerned about privacy, remember that WhatsApp features end-to-end encryption, even in chats with yourself. This means that only you and the device you sent the message from can read what's sent. It's a secure way to keep notes or sensitive information that you might not want stored on other platforms. In closing, messaging yourself on WhatsApp web is a versatile, efficient way to keep track of notes, links, reminders, and files. Whether you're using it for work, study, or personal reasons, this feature can enhance your productivity and ensure you always have important information at your fingertips. Plus, with its ease of access and seamless syncing across devices, it streamlines your workflow and simplifies your digital life. And that's how you message yourself on WhatsApp web. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a try and see just how useful it can be for streamlining your daily tasks and keeping important information just a click away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.